Health equity, it is a community effort, right? My City, My Health is a conference bringing together health professionals and advocates for a healthier future. So we got Larry Twitty, co-founder of My City, My Health, and Corey Lewis. I just met you recently. Yes. It was great to connect with you unexpectedly. So clinical health coach, this is all about health equity. Tell us about this conference coming up.
Yeah, so the goal of the conference is to get people together to really just talk about how can we improve the health of our communities. So we have people from who are in healthcare to public health, and just those that want to see a healthier Des Moines, a healthier Iowa, coming together and talking about some of the issues that we're seeing.
So y'all shared this mug with me, and I really love it, the Healthy Project. Okay, it's really cool branding. You guys have gotten really creative with this, but it says, one of the marvelous things about community is that it enables us to welcome and help people in a way we couldn't as individuals. This truly is better together, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Equity is a community effort, as we always say.
You guys, you're part of a huge lineup. You got a lot of diversity in your panelists. You got Miss Keisha, Miss Vegan coming through, sharing her ways.
Shout out to Keisha.
Respect for her.
Yes.
But you got Teresa Zilk, I love her.
Yes.
And then you have a personal trainer in there. I mean, you got to have a mix. This is all about collaboration. Everybody brings something different to the table.
Yeah, because so the idea, when you think about health equity or health in general, not everybody's in healthcare.
Right.
Not everybody's in public health, but everybody has a voice and everybody has something to say and something to give. So it doesn't make sense just to have specific, professionals in there. Let's have everybody have a voice who can contribute to health equity.
Tell us about the collaborations that have come through this that you have seen.
Yeah, we've had some great collaborations. We have a great bank of sponsors that have been assisting us. One of my favorite sponsors, of course, is Delta Dental. Some of the connections that were made at the conferences, a young woman I know, my wife, actually was able to secure a grant from Delta Dental to purchase books to spread the message of good dental hygiene to kids in the community and things like that. And that would have been possible without the conference and the connection made there.
So what is the conference? What's it going to look like, the time? And you got a lot of things going on.
Yeah, so it's November 17th from 9 to 3. It's panel driven, so there's 4 panels. We have a public health panel, prevention panel, a mental health panel, and a community panel. In between that, we're going to be premiering our first show that we've produced called Coffee Can't Fix Everything.
I like,
which is a show.
But I wanted to.
I know, we wanted to, but it's a great show.
Don't crush my dreams on a Monday.
I know. It can help. It definitely assists, right? But it's a great show about how just destigmatizing the mental health conversation. So I'm having conversations at the Slow Down Coffee Shop about just mental health over a cup of coffee. And we just have, it's just a very inclusive vibe. You don't have to be a health professional, like we said. You can be someone that's just in the community that wants to see a change and ask a question to somebody.
Where do people go to register and get involved?
Yes, so if you want to be involved, go to mycity.health and you can see the list of panelists, what we're about, what's on the agenda, and you can also register.
You guys are part of such a critical effort. It's going to be a movement, and it's only going to grow from here, right? Because once people start connecting and having conversations, they realize they're not the only ones going through what they're dealing with.
Right, absolutely. Yes. That's the key. Is this, we're all in it together. We all have family members and friends and
everybody
people that
has
we know.
something to add.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for being here.
Yes, thank you so
Thanks
much.
for having us.
We'll post this online, of course. Get yourself there. It's going to be a huge community builder.